better than nothing.
Absolutely better than nothing. So, hello people and welcome back to Dubious Engineering. Hope you're all staying safe. We had a little bit of fun today. We decided that we would make some masks because we don't have any masks. In fact, masks are getting more and more difficult to buy, aren't they? So if you look on Amazon, for instance, you can buy some masks, but the lead time is extremely long and they're actually quite expensive.
And right now, you might buy something fake.
Yeah, you might buy some fake ones, some ones that you don't know the quality of the mask. Yeah. So, you ready to put on your mask? I'll race you, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, you're so much faster than me. Okay, well, I'm going to take this off so you can hear me a little better. How do you sound? Say, hello world, how are you?
Hello. Hello, hello.
Hello. Okay, so we've both made some masks. My mask is a 3D printed mask. I'm actually quite impressed with the way it came out, in the sense that I modelled this on a real person's face in shape of 3D, and then we've used some dishcloth, a couple of layers, 2 plies if you like, of dishcloth here, brand new obviously, not used, to effectively create that little filter for the front of it there. And Vicky very kindly sewed, she's a bit of a dab hand at sewing, sewed on these wonderful little straps here. And this is clearly elastic, so we had a bit of elastic kicking around. And then Vicky also made a mask as well, didn't you? What did you make your mask out of?
Just the cloth.
An old shirt of mine, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But what you did is you layered it. So what Vicky did is she folded and pleated the material. And once she'd folded and pleated the material, she then went ahead and stitched the sides up and stitched some elastic in there. And what you can find then is that the mask, like a concertina, stretches. So it covers from your lower jaw all the way to the bridge of your nose. So, who knows if we're going to need these? Who knows if they're useful, if they're good, if they're going to work? But it's better, we decided, it's better than having nothing. So we went ahead and made these. I'll obviously put a link in for the STL file, so if you decide that you want the STL file, you can download the STL file. This does generally tend to sort of fit the Caucasian face better than the Asian face, because the Asian nose is a little cuter and a little flatter, whereas the Caucasian nose is a bit long and big.
Of the Asian like
Anyway, I guess the point really was, if you're sitting around, you're bored and you've nothing to do, making something like this is fun, keeps you occupied, and you never know, it might be useful in the future. Take care. Thanks ever so much for watching, people. Stay safe, have fun, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.
Bye.